In today's video, I'm gonna show you a way to fix Snapchat no internet connection problem on Android. This problem usually comes from network issues, app glitches, or restricted background data on Android. So the first thing that you may want to do is switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then also try turning airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it back off. Next is head over to settings, then go to app list. Now from here, we can use the search bar to search in for Snapchat, then click on it. Now from here, go to mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure background data is allowed. Next is try clearing Snapchat's cache, not data. So you can head over to storage and cache and click on clear cache. Also try updating Snapchat by heading over to Play Store. So simply just search for Snapchat and see if there are updates available. Lastly is try restarting your phone to refresh the network connection. And if Snapchat still won't connect, that means their servers may be down. Just try again later to see if it finally works. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!